Actually, I read the script first. So when I read the script, I was very attracted to the script. And I thought, chalo, here's something that's period in nature. At the same time, there's a whole thriller element, very smartly put. So for my first itself, when I read the script, I wanted to do the film. Then I met Navneet, and then his points of view and his ideas, it all gelled very well. So it's a combination of many things. I mean, you really can't say one or the other. It's about when you read the script, you are attracted to it. So now you don't know what the attraction is, but there is some kind of subjective attraction. You just feel that, oh, this needs to be done. And I go ahead and do it. My preparation again lies within the script, with the director and with the writer. So मैं वहीं पे घूमता हूँ because I think most of the stories being fictional in nature, there's no point in searching facts for fiction. So it's always you have to try and understand that fiction has come from somebody's brain. Now the idea is to explore that brain and find out more about it. So मेरा वही तरीका है. I just try and explore more and more from these people only, and the script of course. So the more you read the script, more things come out and say, okay fine, this is one angle which you can explore. Such things happen. Not really, not really. I think 70s में भी इंसान लोग तो वही थे. It was just that look wise it was different. Look is not.
Maybe as a language wise or the way.
Not really, not really, not really. There were it was all smartly done in the script itself. So I had to just follow the script. At the same time, evolve myself as I go. Once you're in that role, in that character, things will come to you automatically, and you have to be open. He is actually a rebel, a revolutionary. He is a guy who realizes that once emergency is now put, that's when he comes out. He comes out into the open. He's that kind of a guy. He would have wanted to do that long time back, but now since he knows the system is going to crowd you, he comes out. And then he does his modus operandi in an unconventional way. I mean, he's not a conventional, but being super intelligent, he knows 10 steps ahead as to what is going to happen. So that's how the thriller element. No, I was not aware. Yeah, I was not aware. I am very satisfied. I think I was very happy doing the film because I came across many good people during the shoot, and good people in the sense who are personally very good, at the same time good at what they do. So for me, that was a very good experience. No, very different, extremely different.
So, but does that resemblance come in?
No, all 70s films were all the same, no? So you can't say they're the same. I've done Bombay Velvet also, 70s, 60s. It doesn't mean that I'm doing Gurudutt. It doesn't mean that. So they're all different. This is era is 75 में हजारों फिल्में बनी होगी, तो उसमें कुछ प्रॉब्लम नहीं.
What do you enjoyed most about it?
I just, I don't know what I just enjoyed the process. I am not into the fruit thing. I am into the process. I love the process of working. So when I was working, I found it very, yeah. Everything, clothes, costume, look-wise, everything was pat on. I mean, I don't consider that to be a big exercise.
Look to is
Not a very, art direction also is one thing which you need to have. You have to have the right cars, you have to have the right stuff. You can't have certain things which are available now. So all that was taken care of. And the drama, the acting bit was obviously very similar to any trailer. I don't know. I have not yet read the reviews. I normally don't read reviews, so I don't know. But I've been told by Lavi and everybody that there's been a tremendous response. Yeah, very good. They're good bunch of people. As I said, it was a good thing for me to associate myself with people who are good at what they do and good people as well. So it was very enjoyable. Anything to do with acting, which is done with a little bit of sincerity, I am enjoying. If something worthwhile, yes. Otherwise, I'm not interested in Saas Bahu stuff. I think censorship is all bullshit. I think there should be no censorship. Certification, yes, you can do certification, but nobody has a right to censor you. So I think that whole thing should be scrapped. It should just be a certification body, and that's it. You certify the film, give it whatever certificate you want to. बाद में when the exhibitor is exhibiting the film, he has to take care that बच्चे लोग अंदर ना घुसे or whatever. But you can't censor a film. Nobody has a right to do that, according to me.
What about the piracy? So will they just
Piracy, अब चोरी हर जगह होती है, मैं क्या करूँ उसका बताओ. अब ताला लगा सकते हैं, आप जितना ताला लगाइए. So the same thing one has to do in terms of piracy. The piracy ka, you have to find out sources. It's a intelligence ka job. If one has to find out how does this go and how does piracy happen. Then wherever you find that, you have to put a lock there. You have to put a lock here. That's the only way you can do. Because you and me as common people really don't know as to what exactly and how it happens. No, depends here what comes to me. I have no, I don't preempt the future, so I'm fine with whatever comes.
Anything you like to say about Ghazi?
Ghazi is a wonderful film. It's again 1971 war, when India-Pakistan war. So it's about the submarine, and the whole thing is in the submarine, and wonderfully done. It's quite good.
Can you just brief everybody about your
I play the commander of that ship, and who believes that the enemy should be killed, who doesn't wait for the headquarters orders from the government. So he's that kind of a guy. So I play that kind of a character. Thank you.
मुझे I'm also reading the same feedback on Facebook and YouTube and all of that, and it seems like people are liking it. It's something seems something different, something that people would like to watch. So and people are, I think, liking my look in the film, whatever in the trailer, whatever little you saw in the trailer. So yeah, it's nice to be at least people are taking notice of the trailer, which is good.
Could you just tell us what you're doing and what sort of
So I am playing this girl called Meena in the film. Meena is a middle class housewife. She's somebody who is running away from her past, who is not happy with the way her life is, and she is literally trying to survive, in those times. She's desperately trying to run into a future and create a future that she thinks she'll be happy with. She's running away from everything that her life was, and she just has one goal in the film. When you see her throughout the film, she just has one single-minded goal, which is to make enough money to buy a ticket to London and just get out of this country. So yeah.
So does Meena relate with Keepimo or
It's always there are always aspects of characters that you instantly relate to. There are always aspects that you have to build, find within yourself. Like it's almost like अगर मैं आपकी कहानी सुन रही हूँ, मीना मेरे लिए जब तक मैं उसको अपना नहीं बना लेती हूँ, एक अलग किरदार है, एक अलग इंसान है. So it's like when I talk to you and when you tell me your story, the more I hear it, I try and put myself in your shoes. और एक वक्त ऐसा आएगा जब मैं आपकी नज़रों से पूरी दुनिया देखूंगी, आपकी नज़रों से आपकी सच्चाई देखूंगी. So it is just like that. There are some things मैं instantly relate कर जाती हूँ. There are some things जो आपको ढूंढनी पड़ती हैं कि आप में क्या वो aspects हैं जो मीना जैसे हैं, जो शायद दिखते नहीं हैं बाहर लेकिन अंदर कहीं छुपे हुए हैं. So this is the whole process that actors go through to find within them the characteristics of the characters they are playing.
what was the most difficult part being the character of Meena?
I think मीना का जो state of mind है फिल्म में, वो it's almost like जो वो दिखती है वो है नहीं, और जो वो है वो दिखती नहीं है. So ये जो duality है कि आप कैसे कुछ और दिखें, कुछ और हैं अंदर लेकिन आप वो छुपा रहे हैं. So जो ये एक fine balance है of being of trying to be, pretending to be someone else, yet knowing, yet giving a feeling to people कि ऐसी है नहीं है, उस confusion में लोगों को डालना I think was the most difficult part, because it's always not easy to lie, to pretend, to fake something. तो अब एक्टिंग करते हुए उसमें भी आप फेक करो कुछ, तो ये थोड़ी सी मुश्किल थी. But that's where the beauty of the character. Actually, let me clarify this. It's a fictional story. It's not the real story about first mobile phone in India, but it's something that we have created. That is the basic premise of the story कि जिस वक्त आपके सारे rights लिए जा चुके हैं, which is the time of emergency. ये फिल्म कभी भी हो, किसी भी दौर में बेस की जा सकती थी, but क्योंकि ये वो दौर है जब आपके सारे राइट्स आपसे छीन लिए गए थे. आप मतलब एक रेडियो भी आपको अगर चाहिए तो आपको लाइसेंस लेना पड़ेगा उसके लिए. जब ऐसे लेवल पे बातें थी कि आप एक दूसरे से शेयर भी नहीं कर सकते, मतलब द कम्युनिकेशन वाज लिमिटेड टू एन एक्सटेंट दैट यू कांट इमेजिन. उस वक्त एक ऐसी चीज़ का इंट्रोडक्शन होना इस देश में जो शायद पूरे सिस्टम को या तो तबाह कर देगा या कुछ और कर देगा, दैट इज़ द आयरनी वी आर प्लेइंग ऑन इन दिस। मैंने एक्चुअली फिल्में बहुत देखी हैं, उस वक्त की फिल्में बहुत देखी हैं, बट इस फिल्म, जब ये फिल्म मेरे पास आई उसके बाद मैंने कुछ देखा हो ऐसा मैंने कुछ नहीं किया। मैंने ऑल्सो एक डिफरेंस ये था कि ये लड़की कोई हीरोइन नहीं है फिल्म में, शी इज़ अ वेरी नॉर्मल। तो मुझे रेफरेंसिंग ज़्यादा चाहिए थी उस वक्त की नॉर्मल औरतों की, जैसे मेरी मम्मी हो गई, जैसे उस ज़माने की जो लेडीज़ थी वो नॉर्मल ज़िंदगी में कैसे ड्रेसअप करती थी, दैट वाज मोर इम्पॉर्टेंट। हीरोइंस तो फिर भी हीरोइंस थी, और वो फिल्मों में हमेशा हम थोड़ा सा एक्स्ट्रा दिखाते हैं, राइट, सच्चाई से परे दिखाते हैं। सो आई हैड टू बी वेरी ट्रू टू वॉट दोज वीमेन वर रियली लाइक। सो काफ़ी होमवर्क किया हुआ था ऑलरेडी डायरेक्शन टीम ने, कॉस्ट्यूम टीम ने, बट क्योंकि मैंने बहुत फिल्में देखी थी पहले, और जो भी मैंने ऑब्जर्वेशन किया इतने सालों में, आप कभी समटाइम्स यू जस्ट इट ऑल कम्स टुगेदर व्हेन यू स्टार्ट वर्किंग ऑन अ कैरेक्टर। अब छोटी छोटी चीज़ें आपके दिमाग में आनी शुरू हो जाती। सो आई जस्ट टुक दोज रेफरेंसेस एंड मेरी कोशिश यही रहती है, रादर मैं ये कर नहीं पाती हूँ, मैं किसी की कॉपी नहीं कर पाती हूँ, मैं कुछ ढूंढ ढांड के अपना ही कुछ निकालने की कोशिश करती हूँ। I just told you it's a film, it's a thriller, it's set in emergency times, लेकिन जो कहानी है वो 3 किरदारों की है, के मी एंड प्रवेश, जो अपनी जर्नीज़ पे हैं। एक कॉमन चीज़ की तरफ तीनों भाग रहे हैं अपने अपने रीजंस के लिए, और क्यों भाग रहे हैं, कैसे भाग रहे हैं, उसके वहाँ पहुँचने के बाद क्या होता है। This is what the film is about, and as I said, it's kind of a clash of no communication with the introduction of technology, which can change the whole idea of communication. Well, with KK, I didn't have any scenes as such, but yes, couple of times when he was shooting, I was there on the sets. And Tom sir के साथ हमारे I had about 1 scene with him, 1 or 2 scenes which we shot together. So Tom sir के साथ काफ़ी interaction रहा मेरा. I also later did a play with Tom sir which he directed. तो it's always like Tom sir से मैंने एक बहुत अच्छी बात सीखी, वो ये है कि कैरेक्टर बाहर कैसा दिखता है उस पे इतना तवज्जो मत दो, उसको इतनी इम्पोर्टेंस मत दो। जब आप कैरेक्टर के अंदर घुस के उसको समझ जाएंगे ना, तब वो जो बाहरी चीज़ें हैं वो अपने आप संभल जाएंगी। एंड विद केके आई थिंक it was very nice to see the kind of involvement he has as an actor, the kind of understanding he has of small things about his character, about the script, और वो कैसे अगर एक चीज़ यहाँ पे है उनके कैरेक्टर में, वो उसको कैसे इतने लेवल्स पे पहुंचा देते हैं कि आपको समझ नहीं आता कि ये मतलब व्हाट इज़ ही डूइंग विद दिस कैरेक्टर, लाइक इतना कैसे, क्योंकि वो अंदर से शुरू करते हैं। जब आप अंदर से काम करते हैं, अंदर घुस के काम करते हैं, तो फिर जो चीज़ें बाहर आती हैं वो बिल्कुल ऑर्गेनिक लगती हैं, बहुत नेचुरल लगती हैं, यू नो, एज इफ़ यही कैरेक्टर है। सो इट्स ऑलवेज नाइस टू वर्क विद गुड एक्टर्स, to see them work, to understand कि वो क्या करते हैं, कैसे करते हैं. So it's been my what do you say, my pleasure and my honor.
Even it seems that you enjoys more thriller than being part of it.
ऐसा कुछ नहीं है, I just ऐसा कुछ नहीं है, but yes, thrillers अगर ढंग से बनाई जाएं तो बहुत मज़ेदार हो सकती हैं. Thrillers are also very difficult to do as a filmmaker. Thriller जो genre है, आप अगर आप सही ढंग से नहीं बनाएंगे तो बहुत गलत चीज़ बन सकती है. सो इट्स अ वेरी टफ जॉनरा टू मेक, बट जब ये ढंग से बन जाती है तो जो मज़ा आता है बीइंग अ पार्ट ऑफ इट, इन वॉचिंग इट, वो फिर बहुत ही अलग है. आई थिंक इट्स टाइम दैट वी स्टार्टेड कीपिंग इट सिंपल. आई थिंक एक ज़माने में सिंपल होता था, लेकिन कुछ अब आई डोंट नो व्हाट इज़ गोइंग ऑन, बट इट्स वेरी सैड टू सी कि हम समझ नहीं आता कभी कभी कि हम आगे बढ़, हम और पीछे होते जा रहे हैं. अपनी सोच में, अपनी समझ में चीज़ों को लेकर। तो मेरे ख्याल से जो सेंसर बोर्ड है उनका काम है सर्टिफिकेट्स देना। अगर आपको लगता है ये फिल्म एक सर्टन सेक्शन ऑफ सोसाइटी के लिए नहीं है, आप सर्टिफिकेट दीजिए, बट आप डोंट स्टार्ट एडिटिंग अ फिल्म, डोंट स्टार्ट मेकिंग अ फिल्म ऑफ योर ओन, बिकॉज जिन्होंने बनाई है उनका अपना एक सोच है, अपनी एक विजन है, आप उसके बीच में नहीं आ सकते। आप सर्टिफिकेट दीजिए जो आपको ठीक लगता है, बट डोंट ओवर डू इट, लाइक डोंट ट्राई एंड डिक्टेट कि फिल्म कैसी होनी चाहिए, कि इसमें ये होना चाहिए, नहीं होना चाहिए। आई डोंट थिंक that's really fair. I think this one decision that has come, I think Punjab और हरियाणा का भी अभी भी decision बाकी है, but it's come out. They don't have any objections there, which is great. I think it's a battle which was worth fighting for, because it had to happen. चीज़ें बहुत out of control जा रही थी, and Ulta Punjab has gone through a lot, but it's also created enough curiosity in people to go and watch the film now. So hopefully it'll all help the film to really do a lot of business and also be critically acclaimed. But I think censor board should just stick to giving certificates and not making a film of their own. I am satisfied with whatever I've seen. I'm happy with what I have done. जहाँ तक इसकी बात है कि कुछ और हो जाता, there's always scope for more. There's always scope for more. You always feel as an actor, as a filmmaker, I think that's how you grow, कि आपको लगना चाहिए कि यार और भी कुछ हो सकता था. So I think there's always scope for improvement. शायद चीज़ें अलग होती तो शायद और अच्छी फिल्म बनती, but if you talk about satisfaction, I'm very satisfied.
Lastly, anything is in the pipeline apart from the series?
I have a film called Pink with Shujit Sarkar and Amitabh Bachchan, which is releasing on September 16th. So that's a story based in Delhi. It's a story of 3 girls and what happens to them and all of that. That's again in a thriller zone. So there you go. But yeah, that's my next.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.